rapidly spreading brush fire in the Somis Camarillo area of Ventura County has destroyed over a dozen homes and scorched at least 1,500 acres as of early Wednesday afternoon. Named the Mountain Fire, it was initially reported shortly before 9 a.m. near the 7900 block of Balcom Canyon Road and Bradley Road, north of the 118 freeway. By 11 a.m., flames had already crossed the freeway, threatening the Camarillo Heights area.
You saw how fast it moved, though.
Yeah.
It went from there to...
Oh, wow.
The Ventura County Fire Department stated that 140 firefighters were actively battling the blaze, fueled by dry Santa Ana winds with minimal to no air support available. Hundreds of residents were forced to evacuate as the fire, which started near Balcom Canyon Road around 9:30 a.m., quickly intensified from a 250-acre, two-alarm fire to an uncontrolled wildfire burning over 1,500 acres.
Oh, get it! Yeah! Yeah!